Set 2. Question number 1. Lathe bed is made of answer cast iron. 2. The negative rake angle is generally provided on the tool made of answer tungsten carbide. 3. The ability of a material to be drawn into wear is known as answer ductility. 4. The main alloying element of high-speed steel is answer tungsten. 5. Annealing of material is done to increase answer malleability. 6. Which is a non-ferrous alloy? Answer brass. 7. A solder wire used in electronic soldering melts at answer 200 degrees Celsius. 8. Which one of the following material is used for making a grinding wheel? Answer calcium carbonate. 9. Name the furnace which is converting molten pig iron into steel. Answer Bismarck converter. 10. Which property of non-ferrous metal will provide the ability to retain its shape after deformation without fracture? Answer elasticity. 11. Density of non-metals are answer less than ferrous and non-ferrous metal. 12. Which ferrous metal possesses the property of brittleness? Answer grey cast iron. 13. Name the type of cast iron which contains carbon in graphite form. Answer grey cast iron. 14. Which type of cast iron is widely used for machine beds, table, sideways for machine tools? Answer grey cast iron. 15. Grey cast iron is widely used for machine tools because its answer ability to reduce vibration and minimize the tool chatter. 16. Due to what reason grey cast iron is not used for making components subjected to high stress or impact loads? Answer brittle and low tensile strength. 17. Identify the special property of cast iron by which extensively used in engineering products. Answer easily machinable, high compression property. 18. Malleable cast iron is suitable for manufacturing of answer machine beds. 19. The cast iron which has good machinability, castability, resistance to wear and low melting point and hardness is answer nodular cast iron. 20. Name the metal having iron, carbon, silicon and carbon content ranges from 2 to 4%. Answer cast iron. 21. Name the iron which is alloy of iron, carbon and silicon. Answer cast iron. 22. The properties of metals are broadly classified as physical and mechanical properties. Which property of metal can be started under mechanical property? Answer hardness. 23. Mechanical properties of the metal hardness means dash. Answer the metal does not wear easily. 24. Which property of the metal is called physical property? Answer fusibility. 25. Which of the following metals is brittle? Answer grey cast iron. 26. Which property of a metal can be extended in any direction by hammering, rolling, etc. without causing rough tip? Answer malleability. 27. Which one of the property is applicable to copper metal? Answer malleable and ductile. 28. Malleable cast iron increases dash. Answer ductility. 29. Adding the manganese with steel, name the property obtained. Answer hardness. 30. The property of material which enables formation of permanent deformation without fracture is known as answer plasticity.